back to my channel. So I'm back again with another video. So today I'm doing a smoky eye video. So I'm done with my brows. I use LA brow gel and I use LA concealer to conceal my brow. Right now I'm applying LA concealer for my eyeshadow. So the next step, I'm using L'Oreal powder. Actually, this makes your eyeshadow last very long. You can use any other powder, but this is what I want to use. So the next step, I'm going in for my eyeshadow. I'm using orange for my eyelid. I'm using 35 eyeshadow palettes. I'm going in for pink. It's not all that pink. It's kind of red and pink mixed together. I'm going in for my black shade for my crease. So you carefully blend both eyeshadow together. You have to be careful doing this so you don't mess up. So right now I'm done. I'm applying my eyelashes and my mascara. So the next step, I'm using my primer. I'm using City Color Primer. So you have to be careful spreading it on your face. So the next step is your foundation. I'm using LA Pro Coverage Foundation. You have to blend it carefully. Carefully blend your foundation. So the next step is my powder. I'm using Beyond Beauty 6 Pilot powder. So the next step, I'll be applying my lip liner. I'm using David's lip liner. So the next step is I'm using BH Cosmetic Matte Lip. You have to be careful doing this. So the next step, I'll be applying my bronzer. I'll be using Milani Big Bronzer. Ooh. So right now I'm done. Guys, let me know what you think about this look. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like, give me any comment about this video. So guys, you can check my other video on my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.